How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be working on my 1983 Toyota pickup. It's got it about I want to say like 4 months ago. I haven't done any much work to it, just normal maintenance stuff. Haven't introduced you guys to it. I still have my Chuckus, which I'm working on, my Mad Dog. They recently blew the clutch out, so you guys have to wait for a new video on that one. But I've been working on this one on the side, and today I'm going to do a conversion on it. So basically, this is a first-gen Toyota. They made it from 1979 to 1983, but in the year 1982, they changed them from square to circle. So right now, I basically bought this whole front end to the from my 1979. So that includes the door right here, the headlight itself, the bucket, the grill, and I think that's everything. I read a few forums online about doing the conversion, and they're 7 years old, the most recent one, so that's why I'm doing the video and I'm going for it myself. So I'll link all the stuff down in the description of where I got my stuff. Everything was pretty quick except for this one's right here, the buckets. So it looks like I have everything, and let's get this started. Alright, so I went ahead and laid everything out. So this is pretty much what you're going to need. You're going to need the headlight doors, circle ones. You're going to need the grill. That's the right one right there. You're going to need the buckets, which was the hardest part to find for me. Don't forget they have to come with the ring. I want to get ahead and got the eyelids. This is pretty much it assembled. I'll show you guys how to assemble it in a second. And then you can go with any 7-inch headlights. I decided to go with this ones. I might change them out later, because I wanted to try out the halo look, but if I feel like it looks too new or just doesn't go with the truck, I might end up changing it to like regular, just old school looking ones. So that's pretty much it right there, just all those parts right there. So it's headlight doors, bucket, grill, and then the headlight itself. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to start off by removing the door right here and the grill, and then see where that takes us. Alright guys, so pretty much I'm learning with you guys as I go, but it was to remove the door, you take off that one, there's one right here, and then right here. Just unscrew those, and then the door should come right out. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to start off by removing this bucket right here. It looks like it's going to be a 10 mil, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty guys, so once basically the bucket comes off, just make sure you unplug your headlight. It just goes on like that and you can pull it. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove the grill. It looks like it's going to be this top screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's going to be another one right here, another one right here, and then it looks like another one right here. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Just go ahead and do the same thing you did on the other side. Remove the door first. Alright, so there's these clips on the new grill. Basically you're just going to clip them right in. there. Alrighty guys, so I was trying to figure this out and it looks like I might have. So the original bolting holes are at this top one right here, this one right here, and then there was a bottom one right here. And those don't match up with the new round buckets. So what you have to do is, the frame is already drilled with the previous holes. You can see it right there. One, you're gonna have to remove the panel for that one, your side panel for this one, and then there's gonna be another one right here. So basically the old one's right here, and you're gonna do one right here, but they're not threaded. The old ones are threaded, and the new ones for the round headlight are not threaded. So you just get a bolt and a nut. And then just tying them up like that with a bolt and a nut, not just a bolt. And then the bottom one right here too. It matches up. You don't have to drill anything, but you do have to get behind and then do a bolt and a nut. So that's pretty much how this one looks. Make sure they're all matching up right here. 1, 2, and then this bottom one right here. 3. Alright guys, so once you have your bucket up there, remove the ring. It's going to be this screw, and that one. I have over here my new, I'm going to put eyelids on it. So I have my headlight down here, and I didn't look up how it goes. Does, another one doesn't. See that right there? Alright guys, so now that we're on the other side, same exact thing. Here's your bucket. It can't go just like any random way. It has to go in a certain way. So again, we're gonna look for this one, and this one. So we line it up. And that one lines up, that one lines up. And so does this bottom one. So pretty much just look for a nut and bolt, and we're going to put it just like that. Alrighty guys, so that was pretty much it right there. Just finished up the conversion for the most part. I am gonna go ahead and buy this like I guess like a gasket, like some kind of rubber material that so I can put it around here, because I don't know if you can see it on video, but you can see a lot back there. And I know that on the actual like 79 pickups you can see back there, but since the parts are kind of like shiny and new, like I could see a lot of that, you know, the bucket right there. And then I am going to do a few more adjustments, because you can see this one's a little bit tilted like that way. So I am going to go back in there and just mock it up a little bit. It's a little bit difficult. The fitment's okay. Like you can see up here, that's not. So I'm going to try to go back there and then fix up and then tweak it up a little bit. So I want you guys to see the fitment though. The fitment on the grill is pretty great. You see right there, it's a pretty straight line, but on the headlights themselves, you can see where the hood meets. It might have been in an accident though, maybe, I'm not sure. I did notice the hood for this is a little bit different, so it might be one of those things that, you know, because it was in an accident or something. See that right there? So I am going to go back in there and fix it up a little bit. I just want you guys to know the fitment. And then this bumper isn't actually for this truck, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one so that it doesn't look so. You see the huge gap right here. But for the most part, I mean, it's solid on there. I think it looks a lot better. And I was running these yellow square ones. I've always wanted the circle look a little bit better. And then I might do a video on hooking them up. As you can see, this harness for the light that goes right here is different than the one on my truck. So what I'm gonna end up doing is taking the light bulb with the harness out of this one and switching it over to this one. So I'll do that right now. Pretty easy install though. It looks great. I think it looks way better than before. You know, especially with those eyelids. So that's pretty much it right there. Here, let's see the fitment on this side. A little bit better than the other one, but I am gonna buy, like I said, like some kind of trim. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, see if I can find something that just like a little like rubber trim to go around here. I know the hood's a little bit off right here. It doesn't look too bad, but I don't want it looking all, you know, haggard. Just right there, you can see. I mean, it's not terrible. I like it. I like the look. Way better. I noticed that, so I took off the Toyota emblem from my 83 to put on the 79 grill, and although you can make it fit, which I am going to, it looks a little bit different than it normally should. There's no match up, so it is a different emblem. You can run it. I am going to run it, but that's for a different video. Alright, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, you know. Keep the channel going. I am gonna start building this truck. You know, it has the rims. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna drop it a little bit more. Let's give you a little quick tour on it. Did the upholstery, you know, brand new carpet, brand new seat upholstery on this. Put a Broadway mirror there. A new headliner. I'm gonna do a custom metal plate right here instead of that. You know, that old school plastic one it had, but you know, it is a working project. And then pretty much it, guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the square headlights better? You know, did I make the wrong decision? I know a lot of people are gonna bash me for using, you know, halo lights instead of, you know, the original ones, but I really like the look. I might end up changing them, but I really like it. Cool, guys. Peace out.